FAJÁ dos Padres is a unique and secluded coastal area located on the south coast of Madeira Island, between Quinta Grande and Camara de Lobos. It is a hidden gem that offers a tranquil and picturesque setting. FAJÁ dos Padres offers a serene and secluded coastal experience that feels like a hidden paradise. It's an ideal place to escape the crowds, connect with nature, and indulge in the beauty of Madeira Island's coastline. FAJÁ dos Padres is a private estate that has been in the same family for many years. FAJÁ dos Padres is only accessible by a cable car or by boat, which adds to its exclusivity and charm. The cable car ride itself offers breathtaking views of the coastline and the Atlantic Ocean. This is the third episode of our series, Trip Around Madeira Island, flying over its beautiful coast. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments below, which our team will be happy to answer. We remind you, to get the best results of a feeling of relaxing immersion, you should watch it on your 4K TV and/or using good headphones. Calhau de Lapa is a small pebble beach nestled between cliffs, offering seclusion and tranquility. It's an ideal spot to unwind, watch surfers catch waves, and take in the beauty of the Atlantic Ocean.
I'm so